This summer we're dealing with a historic drought. For 14 months we've had below average precipitation.
The biggest thing we can do to deal with drought conditions and flooding conditions is really first to keep the soil covered. So if we can graze it, we're keeping permanent cover on the soil, which is going to reduce evaporation and also help with water infiltration.
One of our main management focuses here is utilizing silvopastures to deal with extreme drought and other weather conditions. Silvopasturing is one of 5 major agroforestry systems. There's a lot of potential both on this farm and across the Northeast because our farms are a mix of woodland and open land. And here we're able to utilize the entire farm by using the wooded portions of silvopastures versus fencing them out and excluding them. But they're wooded areas that are specifically managed for creating quality grazing conditions. This isn't just putting animals into your woods.
And then as we're grazing, over time we're actually increasing the water holding capacity of the soil. So the more carbon, essentially, the more you can think of it as like a sponge that's going to hold more water. And that can be useful when there's too much water and also when there's too little water because it's going to hold the water longer. And then the trees, if we're adding that tree layer in, we're shading the ground, and so we're further reducing the effect of a drought in a rainy situation. Then we're slowing down the rain and actually helping it infiltrate. So trees are this interceptor of heavy rain events. They can actually slow it down and help the soil absorb it better.
Grazing animals are much more comfortable in these lightly shaded silvopasture areas. Therefore, the animal performance and well-being is higher by giving them these lightly shaded silvopasture areas.